Babe, it's almost 2 o'clock.
Really?
Yeah, if we're gonna go, we gotta go get him.
Hi, buddy.
Hello. Hi, big smile. Hi, Missy.
Come here, buddy. Hi.
Somebody wants to go play. Let's go on an adventure.
Hey, Bruce. Bruce, you remember the adventure mobile? Yep.
Being back in Toronto comes with so many pros and cons, one of which being that we can just slip back into routine and kind of get a little dull. So today we're gonna go on an adventure. The biggest pro is that this boy is not too far from us, so we're gonna take him on the adventure today because my sister and her partner are working a long day. Oh, he's already tired.
Excuse me. Excuse me, let me just work over here. Alright.
Okay.
Start the car here. Not even 5 minutes into the drive.
Such a suck!
Bruce, you're winning. Alright, you've won. You happy now? He looks happy. We've made it to a beautiful part of Dundas, but not the right part.
I'm thinking this must be private land, but...
Definitely.
So we've just pulled over. It looks like a corn and pumpkin patch. Thanks, Apple Maps, for getting us lost.
Yeah, I don't know. We're new to these iPhones and I'm finding them to be amazing. Everything just works really well, except Apple Maps. I feel like Apple Maps is not reliable.
Okay, let's not make noise.
If it says no trespassing, just talk quieter.
Bruce. 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 What are you doing? Bruce.
He's smelling something.
Bruce. Bruce. Bruce, sit. Listen at all.
But we need to find a parking lot for Dundas Peak. Are we feeling confident about this map?
Nope.
Attempt number 2. Buddy, you touching your nose again?
Yeah, I'd say we are kind of looking for housing, not housing, but like property and like where we want to settle. And we can't really afford to buy anything in Toronto, so we're kind of thinking Hamilton, Dundas area. And now Dundas is, well, we weren't thinking Dundas, we had no idea what Dundas was. Anyway, what I'm trying to say
really
is
pretty here.
It's farmland, but it's
Really pretty. Buddy, you're touching your nose again.
This whole vlog was gonna be...
How many times did Eamon touch his nose?
Okay, we made it. We're going to just pack up a little day bag. I don't know how far this hike is, do you?
No, actually, should I do a little research?
So it's free?
Well, no, because I think we just got charged too. Because we got charged, but...
Yeah, we got charged, but it didn't print out the ticket for us.
Oh, do you know what paper we have?
Yes. That's all our banking information. How do we have that just in our door? We gotta burn that. Burn the evidence. Isn't that what your dad said? Destroy it.
Yeah. Memorize it and destroy it.
We got a vlog on YouTube. You wanna say hi?
Hi. Thanks so much.
Hey, no problem. We'll see you on the hike.
Wow. I always say yes to puppy sitting Bruce because I think it's a really good learning experience for me as someone who wants a dog. But I just had him off leash because he was so hyper and he ran under that fence there and he was gone in the bushes for 10 minutes and I'm
Going off the waterfall.
I was screaming, Bruce! And Eamon's flying the drone and I'm freaking out. Now he's got burrs all over him, but he doesn't seem to mind much because he's still running! It feels like it's gonna storm. The wind is picking up. The sky is so gray. Oh boy. And classic Eamon and Beck fashion, we have no idea how long this hike is
I'm gonna say
or where
20
we're
minutes.
going. You say 20? I'm thinking more like an hour, but
Oh boy.
we'll see. I'm the type of person that as soon as I start a hike or anything, I need to finish it. I need to see it through. The rain is here. It doesn't look promising. And Scrooge, AKA my fiance,
blame it on.
he's decided we have to go back. I'm sure I'll love him for it when it really comes.
Let's go. Just now that you cracked the vlog on, let's go.
Oh, maybe these guys know how far it is. Let's ask. Hey guys, are we almost at the peak?
Another 10 minutes left.
Oh, so it's worth it. Oh, Bruce, come here.
It's beautiful. You have to go.
Even though it's gonna storm.
It's beautiful.
Okay, let's go.
It's a must.
Yeah!
Thanks, guys.
Are we gonna go?
You're getting Bruce hyped. Come on, Bruce, we're going to the peak, buddy. We're going. Going to the peak. Is this the peak?
It's really pretty now. Look this way.
Aren't you having a great time?
Yeah!
I love peaks.
Look at how pretty though, for real.
All right, for real, drop the B-roll. Ooh. Okay, so I have to admit, it's calmed down. The sun's almost come out, so I'm happy we went to the peak. It was beautiful.
Who's right about those kind of things?
I gotta start listening to Beck more.
So this is how we vlog when we're trying to get that crispy audio going. Is we got the mic, the boom mic going.
As people who hang out in their van all year round, mostly in Toronto, we experience all 4 seasons in our van, and I have to say fall is my fave.
Is it?
Yeah.
Huh.
And here's why. It's not
Because
too
it's
hot.
my birthday.
It's not too cold, and it's your birthday.
Were you gonna say that?
No, but it's so pretty this time of year, and there's just such a small window, and I'm so happy to just be outside today and enjoying it. You know what I mean? Have you guys
I know
gone
what you
outside
mean.
today?
Get outside.
Get outside.
Wipe off your lens and get outside.
Yeah, the rain, the wind, it doesn't matter.
Come on, buddy.
Come on, Bruce.
Couldn't get the van much dirtier than it
Oh my word!
is. Yeah.
Mud everywhere. Come on. Good boy. Wait, get him panting. Hold on. Pant again. I just caught you touching your nose again.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. But this is really classic Eamon and Beck style. After we've been where we go, we like to figure out where we were. I was just looking up where Dundas is. If any of you are interested, this was in Dundas, Ontario. This is the Dundas Peak, as well as some waterfalls in the area, and we parked
Webster
at
Falls.
Webster's Falls, but that's not what we saw. We saw Tew's Falls.
Oh.
T-E-W. You guys may or may not know, if you've been following us on IG, that we went over to the Apple Life, and Eamon, one of his gadgets was the AirPods. So all he's been doing lately is tuning me out with these stupid darn things in his ears. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
What?
And he's constantly listening to something else. And while Eamon is busy ignoring me, essentially, I've been busy listening to an audiobook that was recommended by Jinty Fell, and I've really been enjoying. It's called Money and the Law of Attraction. It's been an interesting book because, to be honest, it's just reaffirming a lot of the things that I think I naturally do in my life. Like, I try to be positive, and I try to mindfully make the choice to see the good and all of that kind of stuff, but it really does come full circle, so it's been a really interesting listen for me. I've also been mixing in Harry Potter. I've gone all the way back to the beginning and I'm listening to the first book ever. Eamon hasn't even watched the movies of Harry Potter, so he's kind of giggling listening to muggles and all that kind of stuff. Hey boo?
I can hear you now.
You took out the AirPods now? We just wanted to say a really quick thank you to Audible, which is how I listen to my audiobooks. They've sponsored this video and given you guys a 30-day exclusive free trial and a book of your choice for free. Plus, when you become a member with Audible now, every month you get a free book and 2 of their Audible original books.
Really?
Which is, yeah.
What a deal.
Yeah, I know, it's great. So we love working with Audible. If you guys are interested in doing that 30-day free trial, you can go to www.audible.com/EamonandBeck, or you can text Eamon and Beck to 500-500. Anything you'd like to add about...
I wonder what more people do. Are you gonna text or are you gonna go to the website?
I personally used this to get a free book, and I went to the website.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I think I would text.
Okay, well let us know. Do you text or go to the website?
I might get a free book. Can we each get a free book?
Yeah. What would you download?
Red light, red light, red light, red light, red light.
Oh boy.
We're good, we're good. Red light, came out of nowhere. Bruce has got this really bad habit when he's driving, he just whines the whole time. Like even if he's on Becca's lap, he's basically whining. So we kind of yell at him and say, Bruce, stop it. Look what he does. He just turns around.
I haven't seen that.
Crazy dog.
Honestly, this is where, again, I'd be the worst puppy mom or whatever. I just want him to be comfortable, so it makes me so unhappy that he's uncomfortable, but I think he also takes advantage of me. It's fun. I saw, caught you put, oh, you just touched your nose again. Twice. Stop touching your nose.
The title is Eamon touches his nose.
I'm not sure how much we've told you about Eamon's new thing about intermittent fasting, but yeah, he's doing this thing where he only eats for so many hours of the day, and these are the hours of the day that he eats, and he's like unbearably hungry.
I'm burning calories by the minute.
So we were supposed to stop at the grocery store and get a bunch of groceries, and instead on the way, Eamon,
we're at the grocery store.
We're at the grocery store, that's right. And Eamon's going to Pita Pit to get an entire pita before we make dinner.
Well, I just know that if we don't do this, there'll be an argument in the grocery store. So I'm just trying to prevent arguments. Off the chair. Off the chair.
Bruce, come here, babe. All right, let's eat this thing. Whoa. We needed that.
Bruce, we're just running into the grocery store. You gotta stay here. And you gotta make sure you get our chairs nice and dirty, okay?
Oh my.
Here's what happened. Lentil loaf, spaghetti squash. We make a beet, potato, sweet potato, garlic, onion. Delicious medley.
It's like Thanksgiving on a Monday.
It's like Thanksgiving on a Monday.
Actually, if you guys want this kind of a recipe for your American Thanksgiving, you should do it for a Freestyle Friday.
I can do that.
Look good, everybody?
I can do that.
We're with Mel.
Hi, Mel.
Hi. We absolutely love puppy sitting Bruce, as you know, so JT wants to say, JT won't hang out with us, but then the vlog comes out and he comes in.
Hi, JT.
What's up?
Yeah, we'll see you in the next one, guys, on Friday. Freestyle Friday. Right?
Yep.
All right.